12th Street to find their time. With my Kansas City lady and a bottle of Kansas City wine. I might take a train, I might take a plane, I might have to walk, but I'm gonna get me there. Because I'm going to Kansas City. Kansas City, here I come. They got the crazy little women, and I wanna get me one. Our music director, Mr. John, we call him Steve Boyle on guitar. Don't call me Wolfman Hal, and now the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Tickling the eye, he does. Kansas City, here I come. I said I was going to Kansas City.